Hello Pasangla, now I'm Shruti ma'am and today we're going to discuss a very important question of the day. But before that, all our notes, updates, notifications, ellame nam WhatsApp group la available irukku. So definitely do scan the QR code and join our WhatsApp community. Now, today's question is, what is the difference between hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism? Okay, so how do I answer this? Hypo means there is less. Always hypo word means less. So less secretion of thyroxine means there is less metabolic hormones in the body, and as a result we have diseases called as cretinism and myxoedema. Okay, so myxoedema is nothing but or enlargement of the neck happens because there is insufficient iodine and insufficient metabolic hormones in the body. Okay, this is when hyposecretion happens, whereas hypersecretion means there is too much of this metabolic hormone in the body. So as a result of which, what will happen, it might cause thyrotoxicosis, wherein hyperactive thyroid glands are present. So it can cause loss in weight, loss of appetite, and too much of popping out of the eyes and other things happening for the hyperthyroidic conditions. Okay, so for all the questions of your chemical coordination and integration, remember that what is the hormone, what happens if there is too much of hormone, what happens if there is lesser of a hormone is what you have to focus on. Okay, so our crash course is already live, guys. So if you are looking to prepare for your NEET 2026, then start now, scan the QR code and join our course either online, or you can also visit our offline centers in Coimbatore, Tiruchi or Tirunelveli. Okay, so all the very best. I hope this question of the day was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'll see you all very soon in the next class. Bye bye.